Here the trees can talk. Stones have life. Rivers sing a melody. Who talks about silence? For there is a conversation going on eternally. As you walk through the forests, the trees watch over you. Stones are spirits. You listen to their silent music. Tuning in is all that matters. There is a vibration in the breeze which will tell you stories. Stories of love, stories of landslides, earthquakes, floods. Stories of human onslaught on nature. If you merge with the waters, if you merge with the life in the mountains, they will tell you all. My sketches are my conversations with them. It's a way of finding myself in my surroundings. In the heart of silent speech, in the sounds of silence, I find myself. One is never solitary in the mountains or by the side of a gushing stream. It's oneness that matters, and fearlessness. Where there is harmony, there is no fear. Fear comes from the humans who destroy peace and that harmony in their greed. Being part of nature, there can be no me or you. In conversations, identities blend and there is no death, but everlasting peace, harmony and music. The chiming bells of the insects' chirpings sing in praise of her, the para-Prakriti, and you merge with her.